Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to post in Facebook group Anonymous. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So you can do this on any device that you have. You can do this on an Android, on an iPhone, and also on a computer. So to do that, just head over to the Facebook site or to the Facebook app if you're on an Android or iPhone. But you can head over to www.facebook.com if you're on a computer. So after that, you just need to head over to your three lines right here and then click on the groups right here in order to proceed to your groups. Then choose the group that you want to post in anonymously. So for me, I'll choose this group right here. Then after that, just click on this write something and you can write something in here. So for example, I want to, hi, I'm new here. It's me or anything like that. Just post anything. And then in up here, you can see this post anonymously. So just toggle that on. Then click on this I want to post anonymously. Then as you can see, our name earlier has been replaced with anonymous participant. And after that, just click on post right here. Click on post, and as you can see, the specific post has been sent to admins for approval. It depends on the group for that, but you can post using that method. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to post on Facebook group Anonymous. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.